In the last video, I gave you copy-paste prompts. Start with the same prompt, then paste your email below it. That's a good start, but it still sounds generic. Now refine it. Rewrite this to sound more natural and conversational. This removes that robotic tone. Next step, add your voice. Rewrite this in a tone that sounds like me. Clear, direct, simple, not overly formal. This is where it starts to sound like you. Now tighten it. Keep it under 100 words. Remove any unnecessary wording. This cuts the fluff. Step 5, final polish. Make this sound more confident and remove any generic phrasing. This is where it actually becomes usable. Notice what's happening. You're not starting over, you're refining. You don't go from bad to perfect in one step. You improve it in layers. Your first output is not the answer. It's the starting point. This is how you go from generic AI to something that actually sounds like you.